Today, I am reviewing Amazon Kindle Scribe 64GB. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Amazon Kindle Scribe is not just another e-reader. It's a revolutionary device that transforms the way we read, write, and interact with digital content. Imagine replacing your stack of notebooks, planners, and tablets with one sleek device designed for reading, annotating, and note-taking. That's exactly what the Kindle Scribe delivers. The first thing you'll notice is its stunning 10.2-inch paperwhite display. With a crisp 300 ppi resolution, glare-free screen, and built-in light, the Kindle Scribe makes reading and writing a pure pleasure, whether you're indoors under soft light or outside in bright sunlight. The large screen gives you plenty of room to work comfortably, and the clarity rivals physical paper. But Kindle Scribe is more than just a reading device. It comes with a premium pen that feels astonishingly natural, like writing with a real pen on paper. There's no setup, no charging, just pick it up and start writing. The pen's responsiveness and precision make it ideal for everything from jotting down quick notes to detailed document markup. For students, professionals, or anyone who loves handwritten notes, this is a game changer. One of the most exciting features is Kindle Scribe's built-in AI notebook summarization. This tool can turn your messy handwriting into clean, readable text and even summarize your notes so you can revisit key points quickly. You can adjust the length and tone of your summaries, making it an ideal tool for both learning and productivity. Importing and marking up documents is simple. Whether it's PDFs, Word documents, or personal notes, Kindle Scribe allows you to annotate directly on the page. Active Canvas technology automatically creates space for notes on any page, and you can expand or collapse margins to suit your needs. This feature brings a level of flexibility that's rare in digital notebooks. Storage is generous. The 64GB model gives you room for thousands of books, documents, and notes. You can carry your entire library with you, all in one lightweight device. And speaking of lightweight, the Kindle Scribe weighs just over 15 ounces, making it extremely portable and perfect for carrying to school, work, or coffee shops. Battery life is exceptional. For reading, a single charge can last up to 12 weeks under typical usage, and for writing, up to 3 weeks. That means you won't be constantly tethered to a charger. When charging is needed, the USB-C port makes it fast and convenient, and a full charge takes just about 2.5 hours with a 9-watt adapter. Connectivity is effortless. Kindle Scribe supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks, and documents can be imported with the Send to Kindle feature. You also have Bluetooth capabilities, allowing you to connect wireless headphones for audiobook listening. And with accessibility features like Voice View Screen Reader, adjustable font size, and line spacing, it's designed to be inclusive for all readers. The Kindle Scribe isn't just a tool for productivity, it's a tool for creativity. Whether you're reading your favorite novel, sketching ideas, annotating a work document, or summarizing your notes with AI, it adapts to your needs. Its minimalist design, combined with powerful features, makes it one of the most compelling devices in the market today. For anyone who loves the tactile satisfaction of writing combined with the convenience of modern technology, the Kindle Scribe is a must-have. It redefines what an e-reader can do, transforming it into a versatile notebook and productivity hub. Amazon has taken e-reading to the next level, and the Kindle Scribe proves that the future of digital note-taking is here. In short, if you value productivity, creativity, and convenience, the Kindle Scribe offers everything you need in one beautifully designed package. It's not just a Kindle, it's your digital notebook, your library, and your productivity companion all in one device.